What's up, guys, and welcome back to Digital Heresy. Have you ever looked at your desktop and noticed that your shortcuts, the icons, and your taskbar were just a little bit too small? Or what about the text when you open up any window? Did you ever wonder if it were possible to actually make it bigger? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to resize or scale your desktop in Windows 11. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is come to your desktop and then right click and then scroll down to where it says display settings. Now, for the very first thing you want to do is come down to where it says scale and layout and change this to whatever percentage you think will be good. For me, on a 4K monitor, 175% is perfect. So that's going to go ahead and make my window a lot bigger, as well as my shortcuts, the taskbar, and then the icons at the bottom as well. However, when you're doing this, make sure you have the correct resolution to your monitor. I'm on a 4K monitor, so my resolution is going to be 3840 by 2160. If you are on a 2K monitor, you want to have 2560 by 1440, and then if you are on a 1080p monitor, you want to be on 1920 by 1080. And then for those lucky people who are on a 720 monitor, you want to be at 1280 by 720. Now, if you have multiple monitors, go ahead and change the display orientation if you want one of them inside portrait. However, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. That's primarily for those gamers who like to stream and who like to have one of their monitors for their chat for Twitch or YouTube or whatever streaming platform they use. Now, if you want to go ahead and set a custom scaling, come back up here to where it says scale and click on it. And then at the top right here, you can go ahead and set a custom scale from 100 to 500. However, we are perfectly fine at 175%. But if you want to go ahead and change the text size in your applications, come down to where it says text size, click it. And then you can go ahead and change the text size to whatever you want. On a 4K monitor, I feel that 115% is perfectly fine. Once you pick whichever one you want, go ahead and click apply. It'll turn to a blue screen. And then anytime I open up an application or even just the start menu, the text will be bigger. And that, my friends, is everything that you need to know. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more PC tutorials. If you have any questions or want to learn something specific about Windows or Linux, drop your request down in the comments and I'll be happy to make a video for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video.